Music producers, my name is Curtis King of CurtisKingBeats.com. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever been sitting down at the keyboard and you know that you're not a traditional keyboard player? You're not that great actually at keys like myself. You ever sit there and you finally find the most beautiful chord progression and you're like, oh my gosh, I gotta lay this down. And then something like this happens?
Babe, are you almost done?
No, I just found a progression, baby. I'm just trying to lay it down.
You told me you're gonna be done. I need help with laundry.
You need help with laundry right now?
Right now.
Is the laundry gonna walk away?
Maybe. I need help.
Can I get 5 more minutes, please?
You can get 5 more seconds.
Thank you, honey. I'll be there in a second.
Thank you.
Well, this is what you do if you need more time. Let's go to FL Studio for this one. So music producers, if you ever find yourself in a situation and you're not a traditional piano player and it's really difficult for you to come up with chord progressions, if you find that you came up with something but you gotta disrupt your work because somebody needs you, this is what you gotta do. So if I sit here and as long as I'm on this pattern right here, FL Studio, if you didn't know, keeps a log of every single melody that you play within a session. As long as you stay within this particular pattern, it's keeping a log for you. So if I'm messing around with the keys and say I do something special on accident. All of those are terrible chords, obviously, because I cannot play the piano like a piano player. However, here's the beauty of FL Studio is that if I go over here to Tools and I go to Dump Score Log to Selected Pattern, guess what? These are all the keys that I just played for you right now. You will never lose another melody using this method. Let's listen to it. I definitely played that. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Terrible. Terrible. But you get the point. This is a really easy way for you to basically keep in touch with anything that you play within this pattern. It could be even a clap pattern that you did and that you put down. Say I said, no, I don't want to use this whole basic clap. That's going to piss me off just even listening to it. But let's go over here to the Curtis King drums, for instance. Where you at? Where them bad boys at? There you go. Let's go to number 3. Let's use that one. Let's see if I did something crazy like... that's not really crazy, but guess what? If I go over here to Tools and Dump Score, every single one of those drums has already been saved for me. And then you can pretty much reorder it, realign it to your liking. You will never miss another melody again. So stop being mad at your girlfriends, your wife, your mama, whoever calling and disrupting your beat making process. FL Studio has got your back, and so does Curtis King. Once again, you watch another Curtorial by Curtis King of CurtisKingBeats.com. Have a good one.